Good morning, student. Welcome to hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Rakesh. Find the ratios rupees 3 to 250 paise. Rupees 3 to you have to convert the ratio. You have to find out the ratios. See, rule number 1. You can only find out the ratio if unit is same. The unit is rupees. This is Indian rupees. This is paise. Rupees and paise you cannot compare. Both unit has to be same. So 1 rupees means 100 paise. 1 rupees means 100 paise. So 100 paise. 3 rupees, how many paise? 300 paise. 1 rupees 100, 2 rupees 200, 3 rupees 300. So 3 rupees 300 paise. Now compare 300. The question is like this: rupees 3 to 250 paise, like this. So rupees 3 is 300 paise to 250 paise. This is paise. Now you can compare. You can compare both the ratio. You can put the ratios. So you can write 300 ratio 250, or you can write simplest form 300 upon 250. 0 says 0 cancel. 30 upon 25, 5 6 the 35, 5 the 25. So 6 ratio 5 is the answer for this question. So you have to write in such a way. You have to do the question in like this. So this ratio, you can do the ratio, unit has to be same. Second question is like this. I'll put the question: 3 kg 400 grams to 1 kg 700 grams. Here you can see 1 is kg, 1 is gram, 1 is kg, 1 is gram. Now you will say unit is same. No, unit has to be 1 unit. This cannot be 2 units. So first you can convert this like this. 3 kg means how many grams? Either in gram or in kg, whatever. Complete unit should be only single unit. So 3 kg means 1 kg is how many grams? 1 kg is 1000 grams. So 3 kg is 3000 grams. Okay. So what is this? 3 kg 400 grams means 3000 plus 400 grams more, both grams gram. So 3400 grams. First one. Okay. What is the second one? 1 kg means 1000 gram, and another one is 700 gram. So total 1700 grams. So this is the first one, second. Now compare the first one ratio, second one. 34 ratio 1700 gram. It means you can write in simplest form like this. 2 zeros cancel. 17 2s are 34, 17 1s so 2 ratio 1. This is the answer for the second question. Okay, so you can do the questions like this. We'll solve another question for you. What is the third question? We have done first, second. Third question is 35 minutes to 1 hour 10 minutes. So see, second one, here is the minute. You complete change. 1 hour, how many minutes? 60 minutes. Okay, a plus 10 more minute is here. 60 plus 10, total 70 minutes. So this is 70 minutes, this is 35 minutes. Now you compare 35 ratio 70 means simplest form 35 upon 70. 35 1 is 35, 35 2 is 70. So 1 ratio 2. This is 1 ratio 2. C wala is done. Now you will solve the D wala question. D wala is, what is the D wala? 20 days to 2 weeks. So 1 week, how many days? 7 days. 2 weeks, 14 days. Okay, so now 20 days to 14 days. So you will write 20 ratio 14, simplest form 20 upon 14, 2 tens are 20, 2 sevens are 14, 10 ratio 7 is the answer for the same question. So this is the answer for the question. So these are the question, easy question of ratios. I'm about to bring some more question, more good exercise of ratio and proportions. Please keep in touch, do like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much.